Today, we're gonna be working on a Lamborghini Huracan LP640, and we're gonna be putting a Phoenix titanium exhaust on the back of this car. Lamborghini! Next, we're going to be getting into the install with Eric. Phoenix exhaust system will offer you better performance, a remote, so you can control the valves on it. You can have louder system or quiet. And this is where all the magic's going to happen. All right, now that the installation is complete, we get to turn it on, experience the true power of a Lamborghini. Super stoked with the results. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, leave comments, let us know what you think. Give us a follow, Instagram, Facebook. Stay tuned for more epic builds and customization at Empire Auto Spa. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.